That's the sauce for the cottage pie. Garlic, onions, green pepper, ginger, a lot of onions to go in there. I'm gonna put in my minced meat. It's 2% low fat. You can use any minced meat to do cottage pie. You can use lamb, pork mince, but you know. So I put my dry rosemary, thyme, paprika, chili powder, chili flakes, you know, all the spices that I want inside there. No powder, curry is there, Maggi is there, mixed herb is there, you know. So now I'm gonna put in puree tomatoes. You can put tin tomatoes or puree tomatoes. You can put both. Okay, guys. Puree tomatoes. Okay. My vegetables: sweet corn, peas, beans, carrots. I use frozen one, mixed frozen vegetable, that is just peas and carrots and beans. That is, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do cottage pie. So this is the mashed potato. I'm doing the mashed potato now, guys. The minced meat there in my baking dish. So now I'm going to plaster the mashed potato in there and put it in the oven to bake. That is cottage pie. This is yummy, guys. Beautiful. That is it now. It's going in the oven, guys. I just grated some little bit of cheese. Okay, it's going in the oven. It's my cottage pie. Look at my cottage pie. Wow. It just came out of the oven. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's the dinner tonight. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, this is yummy-licious. Look at that. Oh, dear. This is yummy. You just serve it with boiled vegetable and put some gravy on top. You know? Oh, this is yummy, man. This is beautiful. Look at that.